Today I'm taking you through. We want to fix our Katululu TV on the wall. I don't know this is how many inches, like 12. I don't know, it's 18, I'm 22. I'm 7. I'm not sure. It's called Royal, yeah. We want to fix it. It's a bedroom TV, so today we've decided to fix it. So our first process, whatever is being done there, that's a wire, the aerial wire. We've brought it from outside, from that window over there. Then it's going to roll down. It's going to be itaran kwa skati yende kwa hiyo mlango ikuje mpaka hapa. So let me take you through the process, guys, as we mount our Katululu bedroom TV. This is inaitwa aje? Bracket. Was it a bracket? Amweke juu simnaweka tu nini? I think that is the yeah. I think hapo ndo tutaweka, hiyo ndo headbed hapo. Then hapo unatengeneza nini? Hiyo cable ndio una nini? Unafanya skate. Unaiweka kwa? Unapiga na clips. Hizi kwa hapa utaka baadaye. Si hapa. Si huko, I mean. So what he's trying to do is trying to hold your cable na clips. The cable is coming from the window over there. That's the window. The cable has rolled down to here. Tunaipitisha tu polepole. Zinaitwa clips, hizo vitu za white. Clips ndio hizo. Imekuwa rolled. Men at work, Men at work nakwambia. I hope ifanye tu. Usikose kufanya hii kazi yote. Tuweka kwa mlango sana hiyo TV. Iko hapo katikati. Haita nini? Azimtabalance sikufai kwe mali kama sikufai kwa mali kama si ati ni. Hebu weka na juu up, Kwa ni sasa mtu mwenyewe tunajaribu height ya bed. Height ya bed. Mtu amelala ndani naona. Atiome. Sawa. Ni sawa, si ndio? Hapo iko sawa. Hapo vipi? So that's process number 1. They're trying to put the bracket on the wall. They are doing what? They want to drill it. So basically what they are doing there, they are marking the holes. The first process is marking the holes on the brackets. Marking the holes so that we get the exact. It's a small TV, so but we'll manage. It's better than nothing. Oh, this is all wall plug. Oh yeah. You the screw, yeah. Oh yeah. Then the nut.
This one goes inside the wall. And then
Wow. Sasa ni tuliacha hizo nini, si ndio? Hazikutolewa kwa wall, kwa ile nyumba nyingine sasa. Acha watu waone mdigo. Naona itwa msioka.
yes, ushamaliza.
Wewe ni msioka.
Si uko mimi bado sija.
Una nini ndogo? Nini? Hapana. Hii ni
ama hujapeleka nini ndani sana?
Wazime nini zina fazi ingie ndani kabisa. Hewo. Oh, sasa we can just tunaweza toa. That's the aerial being put on the brackets. We are still on the process of fixing the brackets and the aerial wire. So we are just trying. The wire is not supposed to pass like that. We are trying to we're trying to be neat in this process. So that's why it's going to go to pass over that door. The door frame, yeah. We are using the door frame as our border so that we have like some neat work at the end of all this process. I usually don't like my wires hanging everywhere. So I think the idea of passing it through this door frame with na hii process ya fixing the TV. I'm telling you, I've not even. Also, you're putting, basically what you're doing is putting the screws, ndio tunafanya. Unafunga screws kwa hiyo. Or locking, inaitwa kulock. TV na lock hiyo. Hiyo ni nini? Hii decoder.
So this one is for the AVs.
AVs sasa ndio.
So this one basically ndio niko nakwambia. This can use HDMI. Because the TV has HDMI. This can use USB too.
Alafu acha nikuulizaje, kuna si USB flash. Hii inaweza tumia flash? Ama ni nini? Ama ni hii hufa ndio inatumia flash?
Hata hii ni flash.
Uko na flash? So for example, to test, we have a flash with something. Sijui kama ni hapa ama tutaitumia. Hii hufa ziingie before TV lock. Sisi kwa hapo chini. Hizo yellow, blue, I don't know what. The wire hufa yenyewe. Behind the hooper we have those wires. Saturday, just do your project today. Tomorrow is Thursday.
Friday.
Tomorrow is Thursday.
Friday.
Sijana ndio ilikuwa terrific Tuesday.
You see, this is uniform. Saturday is Wednesday.
Nini? Oh, iko na USB tunaweza tumia USB hapo. Sikia anafanya Oh, so by there I can use USB there.
remember this one. Nickelodeon.
Yeah, you remember this TV? Hey, I'm telling you guys, this TV tulikuwa announced tulikuwa tunaishi single room. We are still hey. Enyewe watu toka mbali. Unataka mtoto wangu anakumbuka niko wizi. Wazee ukumbuka hii TV hatutupi. Tutaja tupa hii TV. Hey.
Instead you're not supposed to go to the bedroom.
Eh? What?
Hakuna kiburi yote hapa yenye niko.
Kwani? Nitoe pole pole tusinini. The power cable for the decoders. So what we are fixing here, this is a GoTV decoder wase wangu. Kuizi wamechange ni katu ingine kadogo. Hebu tuonyeshe hiyo decoder vile inakaa kalongo na kwambia. Zain. Ni hiyo cable yake, si ndio? Cable pia inakaa tu charger. Hey. Jaja. Lakini tumesema wazee ukumbuka. We are not doing DSTV, we are doing GoTV. Batteries, we are trying to imagine ioneka. Okay, so this is the final work, the trunk ends. So but we are yet to buy the wood. Ukweli?
Ni kutafuta do money talks. Nice ones, guys. I don't know.
Ni element ama inakwanga wote. Hey. Ni element. Ama lazima unajuanga nini shida nini? Ni element tu, sindio, because it's salty water. Oh my god. So that is the disadvantage of living what in Machakos County at the river, salty water. We need to be changing like these elements like after every. This one has taken how many? 4 weeks? What has taken?
1 month.
Yeah, 1 month. Yeah, 1 month we have to change. So this is the element.
Now the new element.
This is the
the new element.
for the new element. Oh my god. So that's the new element being fixed, guys. We are fixing the new element, but we are giving it only 4 weeks, then we do it again. Okay, we need a solution. We need a permanent solution. This salty water and changing the elements like every now and then after every 4 weeks. It's a bit tricky. It's a bit tricky. Also, we have to, before coming to the bathroom, we have to switch on first. Or to unblock? Oh, there's also, you have to unblock the hole, the small hole.
Small holes.
Okay, and then it's when you fix it back. Yeah. It's element or filament? Element.
Heating element.
It's heating element. It confuses me every day. I usually say the wrong word for this when I'm being asked. Oh, you unblock all of them.
The blockage. Use of the water.
Oh,
Element.
on the nachoma element, the blockage.
Element in a rust.
Oh my god.
Hiyo rust
In a block. Hatuwezi kuwa na solution maybe to after maybe 1 week you come and remove the blockage that causes this the rust. It won't help.
Because it will still rust.
Rusting is a must. The salty water. Bahati basi. Fixing it back now after removing what in the holes after removing blockage on the holes. It's being tied back. I washa the wall. Ama maji kwanza. Wash the wall. Then we switch on here. Switch on your heater. Oh, it's supposed to be switched first, yeah? So then we try. Let's try and make sure it's hot. You can taste if it's hot. Iko sawa. I'm telling you, it's okay now. Unaifanya haraka yani.